Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Kim here. And if you watched my last video, this one is falling right after my Thrifty Canucks, and I still have the same hoarse throat. I don't know why, it's just kind of raspy today. Excuse me. So today's video, this video is just to show you some new digitals that I'm putting in my coffee site. It's coffee, capital KO-FI/Kim Newberg. The link will be below in the description. And I've got some free images that anyone can download for free, as well as my member images that are from my subscribers that are through YouTube that I've gone and subscribed to my coffee channel. So I'll start with the freebies. And the freebies are, I have a sheet of vintage music, and they're all done in ATC, sort of ATC size, so that you can use them on smaller projects. Fun little pieces to do with for collage, to use as a background and just add elements on top like floral stickers or birds or labels. So this one is free, so you can go and get that. Run with scissors all the way there through your computer. And the other one is these floral frames. They're just mini spot frames, great for elements. Print them on some colored paper or a very neutral background paper, and then you'll have something really pretty to cut out and fussy cut. Just fun little florals, different kinds. And then these are the ones that are part of my membership. Now, if you're not aware, I have the free images, and there's about 160 free digital sheets like this, all different sizes or all different topics, all different colors, themes, that you can download for free, about 160. And for my members site, I'm working to get them caught up to the point where they will be running the same level as my free ones. So they're going to get a few more until I get caught up. I think we're almost at 100. Maybe 120 now, I'm not sure. So I'm working to get them caught up. And these were just some odds and ends that I had on my computer that I wanted to finish and get off my desk. So they're pretty random. They're all over the place. But I do have a fun project coming up in the next roundup of images. So just stay tuned for that. But there's 12 or 13 here for you. So this one is postcard advertising cards. So there's some ladies, there's some children advertising cards for thread, Clark's thread, I think it is, J&P Coats. And then there's some soap ones, and then this cute little girl here. Just some fun little images to use to make journal cards if you're doing anything sewing or Victorian related. Then I have this set of clocks or clock faces, watch faces, however you want to call them. They are just all done, just the face itself with decorations added on. Some of them I've left the hole there so that you can punch out the hole and add your own hands if you wanted to. Just fun little spot elements to add on a page. You can use it as a decorative element to top a tag or a journal card, to use like a tab to pull out. And so there's 12 of them on the page. They're about 2 inches in size, but you can double them up when you print them to reduce them 2.5 inches. So you can double them up when you print them and reduce the size down. This next page is I called this my Sun and Fire. It's just ATC cards that are in these delicious colors. So there's a set of 9 here to use for backgrounds. Again, they can be used for making tags or little mini journal cards or little elements that you put on your page. And then I have 2 sheets. This has been for a while now. If the shoe fits, wear it. I've had this one for a while, just haven't put it in as a digital for my channel yet. But there are 2 sets of shoes. Lots of fussy cutting, lots of fun ideas you can do with this. You can create legs for all kinds of things. You know, put a pair of eyes on something and then create legs to dangle off of it and have some fun new little people that you make. Just lots of possibilities. Sorry about this scratchy throat. Then I have some of these canceled banknotes. They are from the 1800s, late 1800s, early 1900s. This one's 1907, 1913, 1911. So they're just digital scanned copies of the originals, and just a nice color collection of banknotes that you can put in your journals. They're also great for making belly bands or little tuck spots or pockets. You can add them onto other things to create other like tags and stuff. And so because I liked them so much, of course, then I got happy and made another page. These ones are a little bit smaller, but there's more of them. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 on this page. These make fun little tickets that you can just attach to cardstock or print them onto a heavier stock if you've got a printer that will do that, and then just fussy cut them out to tuck in spots in your journal in different pockets. And then I thought, well, let's use them as labels too, right? Let's reduce the size, add even more. And I gave you what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 5 is 40 on a page. That's a lot of fussy cutting labels to make, right? Lots of fun with those. And then there's a page here of assorted different doilies that I've put on backgrounds of book pages. So it's a great start for doing a collage. Having so much fun with doilies, I made some colored doilies on tea-dyed paper with some ribbons that can be used as belly bands or washi, kind of a full washi. Doilies in little small sizes, so you could use those to make little ends on these doilies. You know, you've got lots of ideas, I'm sure, that you can use these for. Lots of fussy cutting them out, or you could actually use this as a little square. If you're cut it nice and straight, you can use them as square little tags as they are, or cut the doilies out to be little tags. Fun stuff. So not everybody likes tea stained or coffee stained paper, so I did it on a white background as well. Told you, you're getting lots here for your money. So they are here in white, but you can easily print them onto any kind of cardstock or paper that you have that will enhance them further, but they have a white base. Here's another set of doilies. I'm not sure, I do have another sheet that is similar to this that might be in my collection already, because I did do a lot of this all at one time. I had a bunch to scan and enhance. Just in, very neutral colors, in the light pink going into a darker pink with white, and then the dark background behind it. So what's nice about these is you can fussy cut loosely around the edges. You don't have to cut them perfectly, and it leaves you a nice background behind it. And then this was also some floral frames in my file, and I did some matching medallions to go with it. So these frames are great if you want to cut them out and use them as a place to put something in particular, like maybe you cut out a piece of fabric or ribbon or trim. Maybe you have a picture to put in there, or maybe you want to fussy cut the whole image out completely and just add your own thing in. If you don't like the white, guess what? I did it for you in tea stained as well. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is 14 going into the membership side. So it's only members who can download these for free. And membership is $3 per month. You can join for however long you want. I will continue to put lots of nice digitals out. I have so much stuff to do, and with this membership, it forces me to get stuff done, which is why I'm saying there's another batch almost done. I should have it done in the next week or so for you to play with as well. So membership is $3 a month, and then after that you can just go and download these all you want. You don't have to stay forever if you don't want to. You can stay for a few months just to see what I'm putting out, but every month I'm going to be putting out new ones, and that will be an ever-growing collection. And for the free section, like I said, once the membership stack gets to be where it's level or even a little bit higher than the free ones, then I will come back to adding big lots of free things in the free section as well. But every time I do for one, you'll get for the other as well. So there will always be something new. And if you haven't been there, like I said, there's about 160 right now in the free section. So if you downloaded all those and printed them, you'd have enough work to carry you on for a while. But, you know, of course, I put different things to entice you because I want you to join my membership if you can. And so there are more options and more different variety in the membership side. And the membership side also gets to take advantage of the free one. So they get to double dip. They get it all. So just letting you know on that. And a reminder that today is February 18th. It's Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday the 19th. And I will be making the draw for my 2,000 subscribers. If you watched last video, then it's yada, yada, yada. I've been saying the same thing. If you didn't watch last video, you might want to go watch it so you can listen to the yada, yada, yada. But it's the same kind of thing. I'm just saying to share it, like it. Last chance to get other people to come and say that they were sent by you, so that you have a second opportunity or even a 10th opportunity to be a winner too. Because if one of the people that you send over wins, you win. So just letting you know about that. Wishing you all good luck. And so that's it for this little video. Just short and sweet because I really want to promote my new images. And I will see you in the next video. Have a very creative day and a creative weekend. Talk to you soon.